Hi class, today we're looking at Chapter 6, Lesson 4, Area of Other Figures. So if you know how to find an area of a simple figure, you can find the area of an irregular figure, such as the area of a backyard deck. The formula of the area of a trapezoid follows the formula for the area of a parallelogram. The two sides of a trapezoid are called the base of a trapezoid, with the lengths B1 and B2. The height of a trapezoid, so let's go ahead and draw that. So a trapezoid could be something that looks like this. Okay, so this is going to be B1 and B2. And then the height is usually from a line down to make a 90-degree angle. That's the height. Okay, so the base of the trapezoid, oops, wrong thing. There's two of them. And then the height of the trapezoid. So if you put two identical trapezoids together, let's fill that in with a writer instead of a highlighter. Trapezoids together, you get a parallelogram. Oops, only one L. The area of a parallelogram is B1 plus B2 times the height. The area of a trapezoid equals B1 plus B2 times the height divided by 2. Or you could write it 1/2 times B1 plus B2 times the height. Okay, either one. And here's an example. So this is the trapezoid, right? So if we double it and make it the same exact trapezoid but connect them, then it forms a parallelogram, right? These two sides here are parallel. These two sides are parallel. But when we come up with if we were to just solve the parallelogram, we still need to divide by 2 so that we're really only finding the area of the one trapezoid. So area of a trapezoid. So let's go ahead and try this out. So our equation, let's remember, is going to be 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Okay, so here we have base 1 is actually missing. Sorry about that, guys. Put 8.5 centimeters here. So then we have, because we want the two flat sides that are parallel to each other. So we are going to take 8.5 as base 1 and 13.5 as base 2. So let's plug it into our equation. 1/2 times 8.5 plus 13.5 times the height. And the height is going to be where you see the line that has the 90-degree angle. So the height is going to be 15. Okay, so if we add these two together, we get 22. We're multiplying it by 15 and dividing by 2. Or either way, you could divide by 2 and then multiply by 15. So I'm going to do 22 times 15 equals 330 divided by 2 equals 165 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's the area. So you go ahead and try this next one. Oh, next two on your own. Okay, so for the first one, you should have got 34.1 meters squared, and the second one, you should have got 81 meters squared. Okay, so let's take a look at this. There is more than one way to do this. So Anna and Ryan are helping their friend build a large wooden deck. What is the area of the deck? And it shows you a picture of it here. So Anna's method, she says, I'll subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the rectangle. So she's going to find the area of the entire rectangle, and then she'll subtract out the area of the triangle. So she sees that the area of the rectangle area equals base times height. The base is 27 times 12 equals 324. Area of a triangle is the area equals half the base times the height. And so she's going to do 1/2 times 12 times 9 equals 54. And so then she subtracts 324, subtract 54 to get 270 feet squared. Ryan's method is that he'll add the areas of the rectangle and trapezoid. So area of the rectangle is area equals base times height. So he's taking 15 times 12. So that's just giving him this rectangle here equals 180. The area of the trapezoid is the area equals half the base, half times the height times the base 1 plus the base 2. So he's using it as this is a trapezoid instead of a triangle because it really does have 4 sides. If you see that the side right here where the triangle is flat. So he does 1/2 times 12 times 3 plus 12. And that equals 90. And then he's going to add those together and he gets the same 270 feet squared. So you can choose whichever way you prefer, either subtracting or adding the two figures. So today, boys and girls, your homework is going to be page 235 and 236, number 3 through 17 odd. Happy homeworking!